we got these stackable shoe box / organizers, and we got these from Sam's Club.
I ride slow every day, phone blowing up, money calling out my name. No friends, only acquaintances. If you ain't talking business, I'm not listening. Cause time is of the essence. No hate, just love, that's the lesson. Even though we're not equal, the realest will remain. One season, no sequel.
Okay, so we got these stackable shoe box / organizers, and we got these from Sam's Club. Okay, now I know you guys seen the last video, and if you haven't, go check it out. I'll leave it down in the description below so you can check it out. We got those from Amazon, but these, I found these while I was strolling through Sam's Club. Okay, these are members marked, so this is a Sam's Club brand. I'm gonna get into these. We're gonna check them out because these are unique, these are different, and they're all clear. So let's get into it. Before we get into this video, make sure if you haven't and you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe, check it out for more sneaker related content amongst other things. But hey, let's get into this stackable shoebox organizer straight from Sam's Club. All right, let's get it. Now, what I like about this one, it is 15 inches instead of the usual 13, 14, and we got it. We got a door on the side, and we got one on the front. So this should be dope. Now let's go ahead and open this up and see what it's looking like. Seems easy enough. Let's get it. Now, I like that this comes organized. Okay. Let's go ahead and get these out and see what one of them looks like. These are tightly packed and they are heavy. So what it's looking like. See-through plastic. Let's go ahead and open up and see how hard it is going to be to assemble. All right, let's get into this and see how hard it's actually going to be to assemble. Now all this is wrapped nicely, so we're going to avoid scratches. Now I'm curious about these right here. Okay, they are magnetic, as you can see the magnets, so that's good. Plastic looks sturdy, solid, but we're gonna see how they compare to the other ones. Let's put it together. And we're all done. All clear. Now, I do gotta say this. This is a lot easier to assemble than the last ones we did. So let's see how this compares to the others. Yo, before we get into the rest of the video and you see how all this turned out, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on all social medias, link down below. And let's get back to the rest of the video. Now, the cool thing about this one is that you can display them from the side, or you can display them from the front. Okay, it used to be that you could only get them done this way. You could only find them like this. So when you display your shoe, it would only have the back end or the front end, which me personally, I don't like. If you're gonna walk into my spot, my sneaker room, you're gonna see the collection. You're gonna see the collection, if you understand what I'm saying. So this is my preferred method of, displaying my shoes. So you can see the whole thing and not just the front or the back, the whole thing. That's what I like about these boxes. You got the choice of either or, okay? So let me know what you guys feel about that. If you like the front drop box or the side, let me know what you think down in the comments below. Now that we got one done, let's go ahead and get the other 3 done and see what it compares and see how they look stacked up. All right, so let's get it. Just check it out. 3 more. Let's go ahead and get it. Okay, this is what they look like stacked. And we're about to put some shoes in here. Some of the clunkiest ones I got to see how they fit. Now that is dope, and that was easy. Let's see how they come out through the front. Okay, so for high tops, this was really dope, and that's one of the biggest shoes you can get. This was real easy. Like I said, you can get him out through the side, so you can see him perfectly, or you could do it through the front, where you can see the front or the back, whichever one you prefer. But me personally, I prefer the side view. Let me know what you guys think. And these were really easy to stack. They're sturdy. Okay, they're not flimsy compared to the other ones. If you want to see what I mean by that, you need to go check out the other video. I'll leave it linked up somewhere up here so you can check it out, and I'll leave it down in the description below. If you guys want a comparison video, let me know and we'll make it happen. But so far, I'm not too sure, but I think I found my new sneaker boxes for the sneaker room, for the display. I think I found the new ones, okay? So let me know what you guys think down below. So as you can see right here on top, we have one that rises up and the one that sinks in. So they're easy to stack, okay? As you can see here, boom, they fit right in with each other. They don't move. These are real sturdy. Dare I say, the best sneaker box, the best stackable shoe box, display. Is it the best? And look at how much room you got, okay? You could easily fit high tops in here, no problem. Low tops, no problem. And I think these are a size 13 or 14, okay? Now you still got plenty of room in the front and in the back. So if this works for big guys, this is a one size fits all sneaker box. I am very, very happy with this. Matter of fact, I may have to go get some more. But this fits all different kinds of shoes. But this is, like the sneakerheads, I really recommend y'all get this, okay? I really do. Yo, so this is a stackable sneaker box from Sam's Club. Let me know what you guys think. I personally recommend this. I'm actually gonna have to go get some more for myself. And let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. This is as versatile as it gets when it comes to sneaker boxes, you know, for your display. Because there's been various different kinds, and up until now, you know, you had very limited options. But this, the ultimate option. As you can see, front and side views, whichever you would prefer, you got a one-stop shop right here. Now, this, I paid $30 for 4 of them, which I think is a bargain because I could just go pick them up at Sam's Club if they still got them. But 30 bucks compared to the other ones. Now, for an 8-pack of the other ones that I got were like $55. That's not including shipping and handling. So if you average out the shipping, these come out cheaper. But it really depends, personal preference. Me, myself, I'm rocking with these. I gotta get some more of these. And I'll tell you what, I'm gonna recommend these to anybody that asks. Get these from Sam's Club. Order them. If you see them in stock, make sure you get extra because you do not know how long these are gonna stay around, if they stay around. But me, I'm rocking with this. It's so much easier. I have no breaks compared to the other one. Like, there's a lot of things, little factors. But this, I'm rocking with this. If y'all want to see a comparison video, y'all make sure y'all let me know down in the comments below. And go check the other one out to see, you know, the difference between these and the ones from Amazon. Okay? But hey, that's it for this episode of Sneaker Adventures. Let me know what you thought down in the comments below. And as always, man, I'll see y'all on the next one. As always, salute.